Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be taking a look at a new radio that was sent to us by Ailunce or RETEVIS. This is the HA1G. This is a GMRS radio. As with any radio, make sure that you are licensed to use that radio wherever you are. We're going to have a peek inside the box. We're going to see what the radio ships with. We're going to see the different functions that we can do with this guy. I believe it is waterproof. We're going to take a look at all the specifications and just see what we can find. All right, guys, let's dive in and we'll see what we can find inside the box. So again, this was sent to us by Ailunce or RETEVIS. Thank you very much for that. This is the HA1G. This is the GMRS radio. All right, first impressions. Okay packaging, just like any other radio. Manual. Seems pretty standard. Get a dock. That's nice. It is USB-C as well. That is very nice. Ooh, this is first impression is it feels very nice in the hand. That's for sure. It's very robust, robust feeling. It's not too light, but it's not too heavy. It feels very nice in the hand. Speaker mic port on that side. Got a nice screw-on cover to keep that waterproof. Dual PTT here, so I think you are able to PTT on either A or B band. That is nice. Very nice. Here's your USB-C. Comes with, of course, the belt clip. Screws right there for that. The everyone's favorite, the strap and the USB-C cord. So that's pretty standard, I think, for everything. But I do like. Oh, I got my fingerprints all over there already. I do really like the fact that more and more radios are coming out with USB-C. RETEVIS, obviously they've been doing that for a couple of different radios now, and that's great to see. So yeah, I'm really. Let's power this guy on. So this is my first impressions, guys. Here, we'll see what this looks like. All right. So right off the bat comes charged. It's got some charge on it. As with most radios, it probably recommends that you put it on the charger. And yeah, this guy looks, the radio screen looks very nice. The color is good. And you can actually, as you can see, I got this almost vertical here, and you can still kind of see at least the B band there, what frequency it's on. It's a very nice display. We'll get it. Maybe down the road, we'll get it out into the field and we'll see what the screen looks like in the sunlight. So like I was saying, this guy is IP67 waterproof. So you can, I have actually seen some other videos on YouTube where people are submerging this thing completely in water. I'm not going to do that. I think that's, a little reckless. But I mean, if you do drop this thing in a puddle, I think you're going to be just fine. If you're by a body of water, get splashed, I think no problem at all. 2,800 milliamp battery, like that's a pretty decent sized battery. Let's pop. Looks like it just pops off pretty straightforward there. Slides off. Yeah, not a lot of weight there. Obviously lithium ion. Yep, very nice. And yeah, FM radio. You can receive FM radio, so you can listen to music. It's got the NOAA weather channels all programmed in right away. It's got up to 256 channels, and this thing is capable of GMRS repeaters, if the GMRS repeaters are available in your area. all that kind of stuff. Like this is a fantastic little GMRS radio. In fact, I would say this is the best GMRS radio I have put my hands on. I'm not super experienced with GMRS, but yeah, I am very keen to use this radio. There's a lot of great functions. Yeah, it's got a pretty wide receive as well. According to the summary here, it has 136 megahertz to 174 megahertz receive. So should be, that's pretty wide. You should be able to get your ham bands in there and all that kind of stuff if you're into that as well. But yeah, this GMRS radio is just fantastic on first glance here. I'm quite excited to use this. On high power, I believe this guy puts out 5 watts. 5 watts is pretty great for a little handheld. And like I said, this thing is just perfect for the hand. It's not too big, not too small. It's got a good weight. Doesn't feel cheap at all. And for the price point, like this is a great radio. This would be a great starter radio. This would be a great radio to add to any collection. Like I said, it being waterproof and so rugged. This is a fantastic radio to any collection. There will be some links in the description below as to where you can find one of these guys. It's like I said, it's a fairly new radio. I believe this came out just last year. And I very thankful that they sent me this to have a peek and play with. I'm like I said, quite excited by this. Thank you guys very much for watching. We might do some more videos on this guy later on down the road. We will definitely take a look and maybe get this guy out in the field and see how it performs.